everyone, my name is Amber and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Welcome to How to Draw. Today I'm going to show you all how to draw Steve and Alex from Minecraft. Step 1. Begin by drawing a square to form Steve's face. Then draw short, straight lines emerging diagonally from 3 of the square's corners. Connect these using straight lines. This forms the cube shape of Steve's head. Step 2. Draw a rectangle overlapping the bottom of the cube. Then draw short straight lines emerging from 2 of the rectangle's corners. Connect them using a straight line. This forms Steve's 3-dimensional torso. Step 3. Draw Steve's leg, erasing guidelines as necessary. First, draw a rectangular shape at a diagonal angle, overlapping the bottom of the torso. Notice that the top of the rectangle has a notch, a partial trapezoid shape. Draw the diagonal lines from 2 of the rectangle's corners and connect them with a straight line, giving the leg a 3-dimensional shape. Step 4. Draw the second leg. Draw a rectangular shape, but with a notch in the top line. Then draw short straight lines from 2 of the corners in the direction of the existing leg. Connect them with a straight line. Use a series of straight lines to band the bottom of the leg. Step 5. Draw a narrow rectangle at a diagonal angle to the torso. This will form the arm. Extend short straight lines from 3 of the corners and connect them using straight lines. Band them at the top of the arm with straight lines. Step 6. Draw a diagonal rectangle on the opposite side of the torso. Extend the short straight lines from 2 of the corners and connect them using the straight lines. Step 7. Detail the face and torso. Outline the hair, neck, and top of the pants using a series of straight lines. Notice the block-like pixelated effect. Notice how the features of the face are created using small squares. Step 8. Color Steve. Typically, he has dark brown hair, blue eyes, a light blue shirt, and blue jeans. But you can definitely color it to make it look however your current Minecraft skin does. Now, here's a little how to draw Alex. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned next Saturday at 1 for a new how to draw.